Hello, this video is to explain the spelling in my class for 4th grade. So every week on Fridays, I will post the upcoming spelling list. So you can always get it ahead of time because I'll have students who will want to practice those spelling words over the weekend. On Monday or Tuesday, your child will take the spelling pre-test for that list. And that'll usually go home in the Wednesday envelopes, or if they want to take it home on Monday so you can see the ones that they missed, I'm fine with that, of course, too. So there's usually around 20 words. Sometimes there's more, and I'll get to the point where I'll add in my own homophones, like the theirs, the tos, your, or the contraction you are, your. So I may add those in. So there's about 20, sometimes more, sometimes a bit less. So they take the pre-test, they correct it themselves, and they're expected to write, because I have it projected and I'm going one letter at a time. So they'll know which ones they missed, and they should have written it correctly right next to their incorrect spelling. That goes home. They're not tested every week. Again, that would be a lot of testing for spelling, stem, root, vocabulary, math, So the way that I do the spelling tests is it's every 2 lists. It's every 2 lists when there's an actual test. So let's say this Monday they take the pre-test for spelling list number 1. Next Monday they take the pre-test for spelling list number 2. So it's always going to be on the even numbers. So we've hit list number 2. They're going to have a test that week. And that test is going to have words on 1 and 2. So they're not going to be tested on 40 words. So what I do is with each pre-test, I go through and I look at the results, also to make sure that they really corrected it. But I take note of the commonly misspelled words. So for the first one, you can see lightweight downpour headphones. Those were the more commonly misspelled words. And then on the next pre-test, number 2, these were some more. So I'm definitely going to put these on our next test. So the actual spelling test is going to be a mixture of those 2 from those 2 weeks. And then I can also, and I explain this to the students, I can also throw in words from any previous list. So if we're on, this is the spelling test for lists 9 and 10, that test can include words from, the more commonly misspelled words from list 9 and 10. And maybe I'll throw in that commonly misspelled word from list 4, a couple more words from list 5. And I do that again just to keep that review going, because sometimes students will work so hard they'll nail that word on that test, and then I might see it misspelled again later. So again, the tests are every 2 weeks. So whenever they've come to an even number, you know that a test is coming that week. And the test may include words from those 2 lists, of course, and any word from a previous list, just to kind of keep them reviewing. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful in explaining how our spelling goes. Thank you.